Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. I hope you're all having a great weekend so far. Today I wanted to do a video on a short-term trade I see setting up in Moderna Incorporated, ticker symbol MRNA. Now, before I get to the video, I just want to say thank you to everyone for subscribing and for hitting the like button on previous videos. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, I like to find short-term and long-term trading and investing opportunities in typically lower-priced stocks. I like to look for diamonds in the rough, undervalued, underappreciated stocks with high growth potential, as well as all other things finance-related. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe so you don't miss any future trading and investing ideas. Also, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before buying any of these stocks. If you're not familiar with Moderna, I'll give you the super quick rundown on them. Moderna is a biotech company that is currently in the running for the billions of dollars in government contracts for the COVID vaccine. And in recent news, they've reached a deal for 100 million doses of its vaccine. Moderna stated the deal is worth $1.53 billion and gives the government the option to purchase up to 400 million additional doses. Moderna isn't the only company in the running for the vaccine, but if theirs is the one that's chosen, then this run-up in Moderna's stock is far from over. The government previously awarded Moderna $955 million for vaccine development, and this round of purchases brings its total investment to $2.48 billion. So clearly the government has a lot of confidence in Moderna's ability to solve this health problem. So when you combine the possibility of more positive news coming out anytime and looking at the chart being in a very nice uptrend, you want to keep the odds in your favor and only look to find trades on the long side. And Moderna could be setting up for a very nice one this week. Alright, so let's get to the charts. Now here's the daily chart for Moderna, and as you can see, this stock has had a monster run since February, and if any of you have been in this stock since then, congratulations are in order. But lately, the last high it made fizzled out almost immediately and has since fallen just below the 50-period simple moving average, or the blue line on the chart. Now, there are several layers of support converging with price in the same area right now, and that could send the stock higher next week, and the first one I'll point out is the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level, and that one sits just a hair below it around $67. And typically, the 61.8% retracement level is the strongest. The next reason for a bounce that I'll point out is the support line I have drawn on the chart, and as you can see, price has held it so far and in fact bounced off it twice last week. They weren't big bounces, but nonetheless, it still held. And going back to the beginning of this move, you can see Moderna's been obeying several past support and resistance areas, so this doesn't surprise me that it's doing it again. Now, another reason it could find support here is because it's just below the 50-period simple moving average or blue line on the chart. In the past, Moderna has bounced either off that line perfectly or hung around just below it before breaking back sharply above it and starting its next leg up. The last reason I'll point out we could see a bounce up at this level is because it's sitting right on the uptrend line I have drawn on the chart. If I throw them all on the chart together, you can see they're all within $1 or so of price, so this is a nice setup for a move higher this coming week. But this is just the setup. You need a trigger signal to confirm price is doing what you hoped it would do, and this is the trigger signal I need in order for me to buy in. I need a strong up day that looks something like this green rectangle I have drawn on the chart. If this happens, odds favor this pullback is over and we could be starting the next leg up, and I want to be a part of it. Now, if this bounce up starts the way I'm thinking, we should easily see the upper 80s, and there's a great chance Moderna makes a new all-time high. Well, okay, folks, that's all I have for you today, so I'm going to end the video right there. But I haven't been following Moderna very closely, so if you have any interesting info on them, please leave in the comments. I'd love to learn more about this company. And also, if you see something in the charts I missed, please leave that in the comments as well. Please like this video if you found it entertaining, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching my video, and until next time, take care, everybody.